This is Ron Malcolm from Carb Educate doing our first cooking video. Look at our beautiful sparkly logos. Ooh. Okay, the ingredients are geared more towards convenience as opposed to doing like fresh. That'd be a little bit more difficult. This is a very quick meal. Pink versus red depends on how much you want to spend. Pink is cheaper. We use pork rinds instead of crackers because crackers are where most of the carbs are. The vegetable oil is going to have a higher smoking point than the olive oil, and the garlic powder because it won't burn like fresh will when we're doing this meal. So basically, the instructions are pretty simple. You have uncooked salmon goes on the towel to be dried. You mix it by hand because that's just the easiest, most efficient way to do it. And then for frying, what you're going to do is you're going to patty them out, put them in the hot oil, and the thing here is that the food safety is very important. Obviously, you want to make sure and temp those for a very specific 160 degrees. And then once you're done, you drain them on paper towels to just kind of get the oil out and let them kind of firm up and temp up a little bit. The macros, in this case, 69% of the calories are fat, 38 are protein, which is a decent ratio. It's not ideal, but you're getting there, right? I would have some serving suggestions, some variations, like maybe low-carb ketchup and or cocktail sauce. You could bake them instead of frying them if you want to change the macros in terms of the fat. You could add scallions, which are green onions, or yellow onion. You could serve with green beans or asparagus on the side. And of course, you can also do this with tuna. Other than that, there's your quick cooking video. Thank you for your time. Bye.